How to fix Roblox error code 286 on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix Roblox error code 286 on iPad. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, so make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Sometimes you could be having the error code 286 within the Roblox application on your iPad or any other device. The very first thing I would just recommend you to do is to simply fully close this Roblox application. Once you fully close the Roblox application, I want you to try to relaunch it and then see if that fixes the issue, because most of the time just fully closing the app and opening it again would most likely help you solve your problem. If not, then the second solution is to simply try to log out and back into your Roblox account. So in order to do that, from the very bottom right, simply tap on this three little dot icon which you see. Once you tap on this three dot icon, you'll be able to see all sorts of various options such as these. Just go to the option that says log out. So go ahead and select the logout button and it'll ask you for a confirmation. Simply tap on logout. As soon as you tap on logout, you can see we have been successfully logged out of Roblox. Now you could tap on the login button and then simply try to log into your account again, and hopefully that will also fix the issue. And other thing is also that if you have multiple apps running on your device, so what this does is that if I have, let's say, music turned on, if I have Safari opened up, if I have Facebook, Photos, or any other softwares opened up, I want you to simply go ahead and then close all those applications and only leave Roblox in the background. So just go ahead and close all the other apps and only leave the Roblox app in the background. Otherwise, what I would you to do is just go ahead and free up some storage. So open up settings and uninstall any type of unnecessary apps to free up some space. On the left hand side, make sure you are on the general tab, and on the right hand side, go to the one that says iPad storage. It will show you a list of all the applications which are actually installed over here. I just want you to go ahead and then delete those applications. So just go ahead and select any of the other apps that you don't really use, tap on the delete app button and then select the option that says delete app, and most likely that will also help you solve your problem. Hopefully one of these would have helped solve the issue. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.